Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So this is a 1985 Porsche 911 Rally, and I'm pretty sure it's not a new casting as per se, but new color for the casting and some nicer details. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 911 Rally out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is this paint job. It's very different. It's a light shade of green or turquoise with black bumper and everything, so it looks really good, and it has got some nice details, especially for a mainline. So let's look at it. Since we are on the side, the wheels, they look really nice, chunky big off-road wheels. Even the design on the wheels looks really good. Also on the side you can see the mirrors, the door handle, this big spoiler in the back, and the fuel filler door front. Now coming to the front, again good details here. Got detailed headlamp, spot lamps, the black metal bumper, turn indicators and fog lamps are not detailed, but not a big deal. They can be detailed if you want to. Coming on to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference being there's no fuel filler cap here. It does miss on tail lamps in the back as the details go, but I can look away from that because they have nice details up top. So they have this roof carrier, which is again nicely detailed. You've got this chrome bars all around. You've got a tire and you've got a jerry can, which is detailed. Even the ropes are detailed. So, oh, I did miss the Porsche badge here. So I would say it's, for a mainline, it looks really good. If you're really bothered by the tail lamp, you can detail those. But with this level of detailing for a mainline, I think Matchbox did a good job by doing a different color. I'm not sure where I have this one, but I'm pretty sure I have another release from the same car. But it didn't have this much detail, I'm pretty sure. This one looks good, really good. Interior is done in black. This is how it looks from the bottom. You can see the skid plate here. So overall, I would say it's definitely a nicer release of a casting. And for a mainline, very good details. And if you like Porsches, go for it. You're gonna love this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.